close this, I poured me some in it. Just some anyway. I poured me some in this. Can you put
you got you some?
It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon, y'all. Absolutely. I'm about to drop everything. What's happening? It's almost 1:30. I'm gonna make us some lunch real quick. I'm gonna make some egg salad, and we have 1 bag of the garlic chicken in the freezer. So I think I'm gonna make that for those who don't like egg salad. I should have boiled these eggs this morning and had them in the refrigerator ready to go, but I didn't think about it. I'm just gonna cook them over here on the stovetop. I like doing them in the Instant Pot, but sometimes it's faster on the stovetop because by the time you wait for the Instant Pot to build up pressure and all that stuff, it takes a little bit longer. So we're just gonna do them on the stovetop today. We'll put the garlic chicken here. This doesn't take long. This is the kind from Aldi. So we just dump it in, and I forget, let's see, you don't have to add any water or anything to this, I don't think. The name brand one, I'm pretty sure you have to add water to it, and I like it a little bit better, but this kind from Aldi is really good too. This used to be my favorite thing to make years and years ago. It was the kind from Walmart because, you know, we didn't have an Aldi near us then, but okay, I'm gonna set a timer for the eggs. We're trying these dill pickle cashews. Woo! We haven't tried them yet. Here you go, John.
That ain't for me. I'm sorry. I can't get with that.
I like them. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and make this egg salad in a container that I can put it straight into the refrigerator because we're gonna have some left over. The kids are all picking different stuff besides egg salad. Oh, I was gonna tell y'all too, I was talking to one of y'all in the comments the other day, I can't remember who it was, but we were talking about peeling the fresh eggs from the hens once you boil them. Because a lot of times, even if you do them in the Instant Pot, which most people say, you know, is the best way to get really good eggs that you can peel very good, you can do it on the stovetop too. But the Instant Pot usually works every time, unless you're using extremely fresh eggs. I figured out that, I think, I could be totally wrong, but I think that if your eggs are really, really fresh, like just a few days old, they are not gonna peel good, because I've made fresh eggs that the hens just laid, I boiled them, and they are terrible to peel. I mean, it's like the egg just falling all apart when you're trying to get the shell off. Older eggs though, ones that are like a few weeks old, are really easy. Like, see this one? These are probably anywhere from 8 to 10 weeks old, the ones that I just boiled. So if you're having trouble with your fresh eggs being able to peel them, that could be why. Maybe they're still too fresh. We're just gonna put some mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, relish, salt and pepper, and red pepper flakes. There we go.
We're sitting here in a long line just waiting our turn to place an order for a chocolate milkshake, a banana milkshake, a vanilla milkshake, possibly a banana split. I'm back and forth. Chocolate milkshake, banana split, Reese Cup Blizzard.
I wish they had the cotton candy blizzard. That's what I'd be getting.
I don't know which one I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna
They haven't brought those back yet.
mow it, buddy, when I get up here. Banana split, you are it.
I wish they would keep cotton candy forever, you know?
Yeah.
Keep the cotton candy blizzard forever, Dairy Queen, and quit sending your cheeseburger smells to my nostrils. They have a white mocha shake. Has anybody tried that?
See, we got a Reese Cup Blizzard for Sissy, banana milkshake for Jonah, and a vanilla milkshake for Mandy.
2 vanilla. I think I'll go
You
with
want a vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome to Dairy Queen. How can I help you?
Tell you what, make that 2 small Reese Cup Blizzards.
He changed his mind.
1921.
Thank you.
See, in the South, they understand Reese Cup because that's how they say it too. Even
Give
in
me
here.
a Reese Cup Blizzard. Now, if you go down to South Louisiana, it's, I don't even know how to say it like they do. That's almost a different language down there.
I don't know why we all say that.
Give me a Reese Cup
And we
Blizzard.
know that it's Reese's. I mean, we know.
We know a lot of things, but we just don't tell people.
And Reese's Pieces, but we say Reese Cup and Reese Pieces.
Give me a Reese Piecey, Bubba.
Vanilla.
For you?
And for Manny. Pass this to Jonah, that's banana.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all have a nice day.
Sissy.
You too. Y'all just looked at my Reese Cup Blizzard. My Reese Cup. We came up here to go on another little walk. Fallon seen something prettyful. That's a new word. Look, folks, let me tell y'all something. Fallon went in there and got some snacks for us to have on, I was thinking get some beef jerky.
Yeah.
I can take the beef jerky, and I'm ready to go. You know what I'm saying? But I'm out here and they're all around a little circle talking about who's going. And she's like, no, we'll just take turns toting it.
Ho, ho, ho.
Let's try these. We're taking a little break right here. This is like a big clearing in the trail. These barbecue fried peanuts are good. They don't taste like barbecue. You want some? They don't taste like barbecue flavoring on chips. They just taste like
Let me try one.
but I was gonna have some of that pepper jerky. I see you trying to put it in your pocket.
Really good. I can't really taste any barbecue on them.
So far, this pepper flavor is my favorite of this.
I've tried several flavors of it and I like it all.
They also have dill pickle in that.
I don't know if you can order this beef jerky online or whatever it's called. Like this is called Tennessee Brown Bag. It's really, really good. If you like a dry jerky, that's really good stuff. Appreciate your wife if she wants to bring the whole bundle of things. You picked a good snack.
Alright, y'all, it is many hours later. I'm plugging up the slow cooker. We're gonna make a grits casserole, a cheesy sausage and grits casserole, but all we're gonna be cooking overnight is the grits, pretty much. In the morning, well, that is it, just the grits. In the morning, we'll cook up the sausage, add that, and then put some cheese on top. But tonight, we're just cooking the grits in here. I've actually never made grits in the slow cooker. I always make them on the stove top. I have baked them in the oven before. We're gonna try this slow cooker method, so first, we're gonna spray the slow cooker. Titus is back here watching stuff about maple syrup and different things. So we're gonna pour those in there. Now we're gonna do just about the same as when we cook them on the stovetop, but I'm gonna add 1 extra cup of liquid to this. Instead of using just 4 cups of liquid, I'm gonna use 5. So we're gonna go with 3 cups of water. And then I'm going to do 2 cups of milk. And there's the milk. Alright, so we've got the grits, milk, and water all stirred together. We're going to put in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and about 3 tablespoons of butter. So that's it. We're going to cook them on low for 7 hours. Here's how the grits turned out. I'm glad I put the extra liquid because I'm afraid that it would have burned on the bottom if I didn't. Of course, we've got this ring around the outside. I knew that was probably going to happen. Now, if you were able to come and stir it about every hour or so, that wouldn't be, that bad. But they look good, nice and creamy. So now we're going to add in the sausage. And then we're gonna put some shredded cheese on top and put the top back on just long enough for that cheese to melt, about 10 minutes or so.